Hi guys, my name is Courtney. I'm in the safety department. I'm going to show you some tricks and trades of the ELD. The first thing you're going to want to do is when you get into a truck or anything, you're going to want to go to the driver login. That's where you're going to enter your driver code, and it's the last 4 of your social. And then there's this green. Green means go. That means you logged in successfully to your ELD. The next thing is messaging. Inbox is every message that goes to you. Your routes and loads go to this part as well. Outbox is what you send, and then compose is going to be where all your macros are going to be. Freeform is probably going to be your biggest one. That's where you can type anything. DVIRs. When you do a DVIR, it's going to pop up like this. You should only be doing them if there's something wrong with your truck. That way, if you get pulled over by DOT and they catch something that that needs to be repaired, you have it notated, so they know that you know about it. It's gonna pop up with your name, your truck, and then you'll enter your trailer, defects to your truck. Now, at this point, they're kind of just generic. So let's say I have a light reflector that's out. You're gonna check box it, hit next, and it's also gonna pop up as to what is actually wrong with it. Then that's when you'll put in a little description as to what is wrong. Then you'll hit next. Then they'll ask you defects to your trailer. Same thing. If there's a defect, you're gonna want to notate it. And then it's gonna have you a review. So as you can see, it shows you what there is an issue with. You kind of go from there, and then you'll submit it. In order to get these closed out, if there is a problem, you're going to have to contact the shop. The shop will close them out for you once they're repaired. So that's that. And the next quick thing I'm going to run over is these critical events. The critical events can pop up whether you hit a big bump, where you hit a rubble strip. Sometimes you'll get like a malfunction or something. What that is just your ELD is trying to communicate to your engine, and your engine didn't send like the quick response time that it's looking for. It could throw a code like that. Nothing to be alarmed. After so many days, they eventually go away. Otherwise, you can reset your own ELD right here. This button you can hold. Press it and hold it until your screen turns black, and then you can let go. That's kind of a little reset on your end that will make a lot of these go away. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. Have a good day.
Hello, Great Plains friends and family. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button down there. If you want to see more of our videos, you can click here for one we've specially selected for you, or you can click here for our most recent upload. If you want to see our videos in the future, you can click the subscribe button right here and you'll be notified when we release a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.